This video is being sponsored by Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning platform with over thousands of classes that you can follow about basically everything. At this moment, I'm really keen on Ayurvedic, so I am everything Ayurvedic. So right now I am following multiple classes on Skillshare about Ayurvedic so that I can improve my knowledge about Ayurvedic, how it can help me from within, and also how I can apply it to my hair, etc. Skillshare has been generous enough to give the first 1,000 people to use the link in my description below or use my code Adede 1 month free trial of Skillshare. Enjoy and let's learn together. Hi Earthlings, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to try the oil cleansing method for the first time, so I'm really eager to know how this is going to work for my hair. The reason why I want to try this method is because lately my hair has been dry, very dry, due to all the new Ayurvedic product that I'm testing out. I will let you guys in on this project very soon. So I decided to try the oil cleansing method, which can help to bring back moisture into your hair and also seal in the moisture in your hair. This is also a gentle way of cleaning your hair and softening your hair without shampoo. So basically, this is going to replace the harshness of the shampoo by cleansing my hair in a gentle way. So there are multiple oils that you can use to cleanse your hair. I prefer to use more lighter oils or oils that I know are going to work for my hair. In this case, I'm using my olive oil. Olive oil is good in penetrating into the hair shaft. So I know it's not just going to sit on my hair. I know it's going to go deep and clean my hair that way. Other oils that you can use for your thin, fine, natural hair are coconut oil. Coconut oil is very light, and also jojoba oil, which is also very light as well. So step 1 of this process is to detangle your hair. Obviously, before you shampoo your hair with a regular shampoo, you will also go ahead and detangle your hair before you do that. So in this case, I'm detangling my hair with a little bit of warm water and the oil. So I decided to separate my hair into 4 sections, and then I spray just a little bit of warm water on my hair just so that the oil will glide through my hair easier, and then I go in with the oil to detangle my hair, to remove all the shedding shedded hair from my hair, etc. In this step, you can also go ahead and use a brush or a comb if that's what you are used to. But I decided to just go ahead and do the finger detangling method, which has been working well for me lately. So that is what I did. It's important to be generous with the oil because, as we know, this is all part of the cleansing method. And if you don't have oil if you don't have oil on all the strands of your hair, you might miss some spots, etc. So it's important to be generous and try to get the oil everywhere as much as possible. So one of the reasons why I decided to do the oil cleansing instead of go ahead and use my normal shampoo to shampoo my hair, as we all know, shampoo is very strong and it can strip your hair of its natural oils. Therefore, cleansing oils, especially those that use essential oils in their cleansing oils, can gently attract and remove excessive oil, leaving the scalp healthy and clean, which can also help regulate the scalp of its natural oil production and promote hair growth, and also prevent excessive shedding. So as you can see, there are a lot of benefits in doing this oil cleansing method compared to your normal shampoo. Step 2 is washing your scalp with the oil. So after detangling and applying the oil on the strands of my hair, I'm going to go ahead and focus on my scalp now. I'm going to go ahead and be generous with the oil and concentrate on massaging my scalp and helping the oil to lift and remove all the dirt from my scalp. But also in the process, I'm also stimulating hair growth and also moisturizing my scalp. So here are a few benefits of oil cleansing. If I have not mentioned it before, oil washing can help clean your hair. It helps loosen and lift up dirt from your scalp. Oil cleansing will dilute and also dissolve some of the grime and dead skin cells from our scalp. Oil cleansing can help your hair look shinier and also moisturize and seal the hair. Oil cleansing is also very strengthening to the hair depending on which oil you are using. It also helps you to get less frizzy and it defines your curls as well. Step 3 is steaming your hair or doing some form of deep conditioning with the oils. So after cleaning my scalp and distributing the oil throughout my hair and my hair strand and everything, I go ahead and go and sit under my steamer for about 20 minutes. You can go ahead and leave this on your hair for 30 minutes with a shower cap or maybe 45 minutes. After that, after the steaming process, I went ahead and washed the oil out. Washing the oil out, you can use a conditioner to help you wash everything out very well. This is just optional. You don't have to use conditioner. You can also just use warm water, lots of warm water, and focus on getting all the oil out. It's okay if you have a little bit of residue of oil in your hair because this will help seal all the moisture. Remember, water is moisture, so the oil will just help seal all the moisture in your hair. So you can go ahead and continue with your leave-in process or your moisturizing process. That's pretty much it. You don't need to shampoo your hair anymore or use anything else to cleanse your hair because the oil has done this already for you. If you have a lot of dandruff on your hair due to some kind of bacteria on your scalp whatsoever, it's important to seek your doctor's advice on this oil process. I do not advise for you to add oil on top of dandruff on your scalp unless your doctor advises so. So just look at how bouncy my hair is. This oil treatment was really good for my hair. I think I'm going to try it again. I don't think I'll be doing it every week, but definitely once every 2 months or once every month I will try it again, as it really gives me a moisture boost to my hair. I think if you try it all the time, you might get moisture overload. So it's also good to just balance the moisture and the protein in your hair. This made my roots really nice and fluffy. It made my scalp calm and moisturized. And on top of that, my dry ends ended up nice and smooth. This is something I'm definitely going to try to fit into my regimen. I have to figure out when and how I'm going to do it, but I think it can really contribute to the health of my hair. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll definitely see you in my next video. Bye bye. Quick shout out to my products. Ayurvedic has helped my hair to grow tremendously in thickness and length the past year. Luckily, I was able to document this whole process for thin, fine, natural hair, and I have turned it into an ebook. If you are interested to grow your hair thicker, longer, and healthier, click in the link in my description box, which will lead you straight to the ebook, my Ayurvedic hair regimens, and my 7 powerful Ayurvedic recipes. Thank you.